Today we're at Byrider in North Charleston looking at a 2007 Hyundai Sonata. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, checking those tires, good tread. As we come around the exterior, we just want to look for any major dents, stings, scratches. Driver's side looks good. We don't have any issues here with the rear bumper. Got one little scuff here at the corner. And then finishing up on the passenger side, you'll see just a couple little scratches and scuffs, just some normal wear and tear. Now taking a look inside the Sonata, you're going to have full power windows and locks, full power driver's seat. It's going to be a gray cloth seating surface. 165,431 is your current mileage. AM, FM, CD, climate control just below it there. Got several power outlets, some additional storage options here in that center armrest. As we take a look now in the back seat, we'll just do a slow pan over the seating surface. No major rips or tears back here. Another quick look at the back seat now from the passenger side. In the center here, we do have an armrest that's got some additional cup holders built in. We're going to wrap up in the front passenger seat. One more look over the seating surfaces up here. One more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2007 Hyundai Sonata.